When service becomes a sacred resolve, when humanity becomes our highest duty, and when the light of hope begins to shine in the eyes of someone in need, a divine journey begins. This is a noble initiative by
Shree Swaminarayan Gyanpith, Salvav, USA,
dedicated to humanitarian service, education, values, and the upliftment of society. Since its establishment,
Shree Swaminarayan Gyanpith, Salvav, USA,
has continuously worked to extend service to the most remote and underserved sections of society, bringing hope, dignity, and support into the lives of poor and tribal communities, senior citizens, persons with disabilities, underprivileged families, and children is the sacred mission of this organization. By traveling to remote tribal regions, the organization has made a sincere effort to understand the pain, struggles, and needs of underprivileged families. Where facilities were limited, service reached. Where there was despair, hope arrived. Where there was deprivation, support, compassion, and a sense of belonging followed. For many families, even arranging 2 meals a day is a constant struggle. By delivering food grain kits and essential ration supplies to such families, the organization has not merely provided food, but has also given them renewed courage to continue their journey through life. Every bag of grain carried the spirit of service, and every act of support reflected compassion. During cold winter nights, when the weather becomes unbearable, a single blanket can become a blessing for someone in need. Through its blanket distribution initiatives, the organization provided warmth, protection, and a comforting sense of belonging. It was not merely a blanket, it was the gentle and compassionate touch of service. Senior citizens are an invaluable treasure of society. Respecting them, caring for them, and bringing a smile to their faces are fundamental values of our culture. The organization reached elderly and helpless individuals and offered them support, dignity, affection, and care. Education transforms lives, values shape character, and service builds society. Through education and moral values,
Shree Swaminarayan Gyanpith, Salvav, USA,
continues to inspire children, young people, and the wider community to move towards a brighter and more meaningful future. Happiness in someone's eyes, a smile on someone's face, relief for a struggling family, and renewed hope in someone's life. This is the true reward of service. This is the true religion of humanity.
Shree Swaminarayan Gyanpith, Salvav, USA,
serving humanity with service, values, and dedication. Let us become a part of this noble mission. Let us carry this resolve of service forward. Because when society comes together, service no longer remains merely a campaign. It becomes a movement. Service is our resolve, and humanity is our highest duty.